rolls in and the sun leans low, whispers on the water where the breezes go. The breezes go. A boat cuts the surface, its story untold, returning from the deep where the dreams unfold. Where the dreams unfold. Oh, where waters meet and the skies bend white, life flows gently like the ocean tide. Oh, glide. Oh, where waters meet, where hearts collide. The sand's a canvas, the waves paint slow, a rhythm eternal only the seabirds know. The seabirds know. From rocky edges to the emerald swell, each ripple a secret, each crash a spell. Each crash a spell. Oh, where waters meet and the skies bend wide, life flows gently like the ocean tide. Oh, oh, where waters meet, where hearts collide. Surfers chase the waves like shadows in the sun. Rowers cut the silence, their journey just begun. Their journey begun. The town stands quiet, wrapped in its grace, while the lake holds its mirror to time's gentle face. To time's gentle face. Campers gather early by the lakeside shore, the warmth of the morning promising much more. The promise of more. Coffee cups and laughter fill the golden air, with sunshine on the ripples, there's peace everywhere. There's peace everywhere. Oh, where waters meet and the skies bend wide, life flows gently like the ocean tide. Oh, where waters meet, where hearts